Weather and climate are very similar. They both basically have to do with how we're feeling today. If we're feeling cold, if we're feeling sweaty, or if it feels fresh, but there is a difference between them that a lot of people get confused. So weather basically is just the temperature and the conditions. So for example, is it windy? Is it raining? Is it sunny for the day or for a certain set of days? Meanwhile, climate is the temperature, conditions, etc. for um, on average, basically. So, for maybe a year or for several years, basically, that is how it would be. So, as an example, deserts are typically hot and dry. This would be the climate, but they typically don't have rain, but they can have days where it can be cold and rainy. Some days that would be weather. And as an example, as a more recent example, relevant to the Mojave Desert, today it was 80 degrees Fahrenheit at the end of the day, and there were small winds. And even if they were small winds, they could still be detected with a barometer, which is just a machine or a device that measures wind speeds. Um, So in December 2025, there was a large storm that caused floods and road closures. In early January of 2026, there was a loud rumbling that was heard across the high desert, and many people suspected it to be an earthquake. Luckily that wasn't the case, but the meteorologists, they did predict strong winds that would impact mountains. And personally, I have not experienced any extreme weather in the Mojave Desert. Um, when I used to work construction, I did work in the heat, so I have experienced days where I've been sweating the whole time, and I've also worked in the cold, but even then, it was never super extreme.